as I pretty much near the end of completing my Mustang II, I want to show as much as possible of the Mustang II, or chronicle every single aspect of the car, of the things that I touch, or even the small things like this that you probably won't find online. And I've done I think a fairly good job so far of posting incredibly detailed videos on this car. In this case, just a short video talking about the ambient air temperature switch in its location. In this, for the Mustang II, is located, of course, on this bracket behind the grille, and it's a vital piece for the air conditioning unit. It controls the temperature in the inside of the vehicle, unlike heat, where you can turn the climate control to hot, and it opens ducts to push air from off the heater core. This is totally different. This controls the interior temperature of the car while measuring the outside temperature. So I just want to do a quick video to show its location and where the wiring harness comes out at on my vehicle, because it's missing off my car, and my car had the whole complete setup, but it's missing off my car. So I'll show you where it's located at, and just trying to detail all the small things. So I'm just going to take the whole bracket off here. It's a 7/16 bolt, just a nut, just removing that, and I'm going to take the whole bracket with me and show you guys how it's located on the white Mustang, and where the plug comes out. It's not on regular harnesses. The car had to be equipped with air conditioning unit to have that harness that'll fit that plug. Alright, close look up on it. You can see where it mounts at on this piece right here. Same holes on the side where it mounts at. So they have that available for this sensor. Alright, I found it on my car. Yeah, there go the wires. Here goes the plug. This is the plug for it. I don't think the direction matters, but yeah, this is it. So my car is missing this sensor. Most of the components for the AC, somebody removed off here. I don't know, but as far as the air compressor and even this canister, I'll put this on here. But most of the components were removed. So I'm quite sure, I'll be surprised they sold it to someone who needed the parts, because this is not on my bracket.